The New York State Attorney General's chief of staff faces allegations of sexual harassment. Today, our New York Capitol correspondent Elise Klein breaks down what happened and speaks to lawmakers and advocate groups about how they think the Attorney General's office handled that complaint. Elise?
Nick, some advocates say this incident points to a theme in the world of politics, where a person's workplace often extends outside of the office. They say legislators should be making sure that laws are protective of people in these situations. Following the allegations of sexual misconduct, New York Attorney General Letitia James' top aide, Ibrahim Khan, has resigned and faces an investigation. The former aide to the Attorney General's office who filed the complaint told the New York Times Wednesday that Khan forcibly kissed her. According to a document sent to WENY, the Office of the Attorney General took disciplinary action and placed Khan under restrictions within 24 hours of the complaint. The office then engaged in an investigation with an outside law firm on October 4th, 2022. The investigation was confirmed to move forward by the law firm on October 17th. The Attorney General wrote in an official statement that her office treated this matter aggressively, and she thanks the women who came forward. She states, quote, "I want to thank the women who came forward, and I want to assure them that they were heard and that I believe them." Some advocate groups and lawmakers feel the Attorney General's efforts were fair.
I think the Attorney General handled the allegations as appropriately as we would want any workplace to handle them.
Assembly Speaker Carl Hastie says he does not currently have any major concerns about the Attorney General's investigation into these allegations, but that this should be a constant learning experience.
I think any time that we have to deal with another issue of sexual harassment, it just shows we still have work to do, in this state, and particularly in protecting women.
Vladimir says she hopes this is a signal that offices are taking sexual harassment allegations more seriously. For WENY News, I'm Elise Klein. Back to you, Nick.